na mra no aso say yede Beyi W'ano yede ebrawo ehwo aseda no ma memfama TCL wope home appliances papa and border fama say a fridge freezers wope microwave ovens air conditioners home theaters ni nyina no TCL and akofa de aba ne bo no eda fam eti bora shops e organ ha ba bia TCL shop bia mu na ubenya sane ma papa yi bi na afei wato na afei dia sena ne bi nso so Emma Franco Trading Enterprise wama Roma Dr. Frank anu akofa phones papa ne ho akade e de aba na ya kan say nyuma kwa bebre no amso am ton phones enso ne papa ne odikan ne anwo hyase ansa na foforo esua Franco Trading Enterprise na enei akwanya no abeda ho se oni Franco bedidwa wo Facebook make can say ko Facebook na hwehwe Franco Trading Enterprise Franco page no and over 100k likes. The likes no ebro 100k. Etishane so okoha. Niema ewo Franco Trading Enterprise shop ni mu nyina Facebook. Utimi place order na ye de abrɛw. Bia wo Ghana ha bia ye de bebrɛw. Nti ye phone so afei ye TV set. Niema etete sa ni nyina no okɔ Franco a onsa ebetumi akabi. Franco Trading Enterprise, Dr. Frank, yada sepa. Tie bebre no ma so. Dwaso Nsem asene. Enkan sa segment Beyi W'ano. And then come on ho. But answer no, ma update kakra bi na fe mi wi a. Yankwa yanim. Sesi ania yedro ewo tenkon apew adwuma na ekoso. Da bia me nya update. Na ye ka say boho ni yeto awie afei no mo ba ye platform ye de polytank no ebesi so na pomp no akọ polytank nim ema o manfo ni nyina ne ofa o bucket ya ofa o tray ya na waba na aba bebu nsuo no in fact eno amene na wontumi topra wotoso nan tinkon hene atwetwe nkomo na aniage anigye nko a but yes se boho no mienu ena yede ma womanfo no ne edi kan ena yede ama wo mo akaba ako enti ebia wo abrochire utie yen wo dope se wo beboa benam wo so na womanfo mo tenkon wo matimi anya nsupa anom boayen mi be wi am de numbers ne betudwa na onsoso ne abeso de boayen no wo de aboa ehu hia me yadwuma bako a edamakoma so papa na enya tinkonkwan because yenya issues bebre ye kono nkakra ye mpese ebeso so issues no ye de nsaka bako a ye wie na ye yensa firi ho na fe yakofoforo so eso na nkakra yakọ yanimi yankopon be yadom na yatimi awie edisa adwuma ni nyina de abo manfo ma membo mi production team abaso biom Beyi W'ano ide me sori gina ho bia se ya abaso bode na me de bema me producers esan say tirelessly so mo di akoni aba na mo ye phone calls na mo fra penny way na mo trankata we akoma penny way ni nyina no mo ye na mo wi a mo di ni nyina asoa me na me de abegina ha na me de asoma manfo enti list of Kojo Joshua Tigo Kofi Hassan DJ Awana Ayuwa 05 Caroline. This is the team that are solidly behind me. Emma yetu sana moi for God and country. Enti antenkono yenshe ni mwa se enkoto se na watu fufra yebe urem acha adwada brada na bibia aye krado yewia me di Dwaso Nsem ebeba tenkon yewia me di Dwaso Nsem me kukuru studio ni nyina na me di abesi tenkon na ya di dwumadie soronko kra atonsa frem panifo ahodo na o beta achi na fe ya commission borehole no yewia na fe ya hand over edi ama nananom ene adehia wo mo tenkon apeu edi ahye Nyankopɔn din animonyam eti na update kakra efiri tenkon eno no na ena issue wo ho enkomo wo ho papa ahamachi eja eto circle ahamachi eja eto circle anya ne edi kan no odo market ho no anya ne edi kan no enso se eja to ba bi say ya na ye hwe ni mu say odumja for fire service personnel one ba kodumu no. This morning, I am here to speak for our security personnel. As I said, you know enough from. Say, Kasa Kwana Kokunja, Eja shit, a dead twin maniama to 2 detain, gas air pipe, and in Yama Ashwom, near Kasa Simna Kudum Janua. And yet you made that from. And so, National Fire Service, one more how. Na na pe nyo mo nko ba na meka say bia wo busuani bia wo ye prosini wo busuani bia wo ye sojani wo busuani bia wo ye prisons officer wo busuani bia wo ye navy ana so wo ye immigration wo mo how so say dwuma no mbetimi aya akadian keten especially how they are treated and no motivate you mo no betimi aya dwuma no. So when you praise for be no din koma wo mu di yaw papa enkenka ne man kete bi ti say uniform wo mu share boots wo mu be share sa ne ma no hunu praise ni bi no ogina wiem ogina kwan ho na wo hwe fi ni sura be sini na ase wo hwe se na tade ani apa na wo hwe se na ni boot ya hye ni awiema akafa. That's how you drive in a coding some much than one. One now then. As I saw no 50 year banuano, Neuraho, Nibufu, no adenam. When the fire service for them come out, one more how Nana pay, assembly beto Januano, Neboso. Junior officers of the Ghana National Fire Service. When the press release, Abetuja. And then, main focus on the fire service. Bripem, yebeko ma makano. Na mami enkai wamo press release ni mu kakra. Na fei miwia. Yankwa yanim, maybe a phone lines no. Concerned junior officers, Ghana National Fire Service. Katay enra no me sakratay betuja. Concerned junior officers, Ghana National Fire Service. The regional commander, Ghana Police Service, Kata Wamachro Ediakoma approach for no. Notification for a peaceful civil march over unfair treatment to junior fire officers by management of the Ghana National Fire Service. 1. In compliance to the Public Order Act 1994, Act 491, and with reference to our letter dated 21st October 2020, we write to notify you of our desire to embark on a peaceful march from the Obrasport at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle to the Jubilee House, where we will present our petition on the unfair treatment junior officers of the Ghana National Fire Service are being subjected to. The peaceful march will then progress from the Jubilee House to the Fire Academy and Training School at Jamestown, Accra, where participants will picket till our demands are met. But I mean, Good. 2, as we wish to state that this is not a threat, but an exercise of our civil and legitimate right that we wish to activate at this very moment, after all other means of arbitration have failed. The Chief Fire Officer, the Fire Service Council, as well as the Minister in charge of National Security, failed to address our concerns, hence this painful but necessary decision. 3, this peaceful march, which is scheduled for Friday, 20th November 2020, will commence at 0600 hours and end at 1000 hours at the Fire Academy and Training School, Jamestown, Accra. We have made necessary arrangements in advance to the COVID-19 pandemic protocols, such as, but not limited to, the following: strictly wearing of nose-face masks by all participants, ensuring safety distances of 2 meters between participants, and ensuring participation of not more than 1,000 fire officers. 5, we must state emphatically that we are much aware of all rules and regulations in respect to our engagement as personnel and officers of the Ghana National Fire Service, which is deemed one of the security services of state. We must also state explicitly that any attempt by any group or persons to counter or obstruct our peaceful march to the presidency would be met in equal measure without fear of consequences. Please, this should not be misconstrued as a threat, but rather a word of caution. By this correspondence, you are duly notified. Thank you, sir. Signed, Richard Asare, Convener. And we are copy Chief of Staff, Presidency, Jubilee House, Minister of for National Security, Accra, Minister for the Interior Ministries, Accra, Council Chairman, Ghana National Fire Service, Accra, and of all media houses. Nisenti, and I'm a comedy. Now, Mamikwa Humanusuna Mene, Richard Asare. And Cheche and Komo, Mamisha, and Richard, Mamisha, near Mensa Akano, Ewo Mahomano, Eso. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Abani?
Yes.
Apombako?
Pachai.
Udi?
You're from Diane Alas.
Uchi ni kakra?
Baby.
And I said, me bisa what Jim so. What me the fra so.
Yes, I'll manage.
Good. So you are a junior fire officer, correct?
Yes, sir.
More how ni saying?
In fact, we are grieved with excruciating pain. The fact is that some of us were granted steadily to pursue higher tertiary education. And then we completed for almost 18 years now, and we have not been promoted. And we petitioned management severally, they ignored us. We made our lawyer petition them, they did not listen. Finally, we had to go to court. We went to court and court passed a verdict for good 2 years after the verdict that they should promote us according to our condition of service. And then management pay heedless to all these things. And then last time we tried to organize ourselves, and per our condition of service, they are in 2 categories. We have category A and category B.
Okay, so take your time and let's go through the 2 categories.
Yes, the category A specifically refer to services officers who have served for long period, for almost 20 years and above, without having special qualification. So for them, they will organize a prescribed examination for them to write. And after that, those who are successful then will be promoted to the senior officer rank. But when it comes to other ranks, that is category B, and is per our condition of service regulation 11 part 2 specifically outline the qualification that you need to possess or obtain before you are promoted to the senior rank. And in our category A, B, I specifically mentioned that when you obtain tertiary certificate or qualification, either degree, IFE, the IFE is Institute of Fire Engineering, and then HND, then and you have served for 8 years and above, you are qualified to be promoted to the senior rank. My brother, for good 18 years now, some of us have completed school. The last time they promoted tertiary graduate was 2012, up to now. But they keep on bringing outsiders, those who have even far less qualification. Some of them have RSA 3, some of them have DBS, some of them, they possess non-tertiary certificate. They are dumping them on us. We try to resolve this issue. Last time, we were invited by management that the National Security Minister was to intervene to resolve the issue. In fact, we went there. The minister assured us that we should give him 24 hours. He will respond to our issues. The last time we went and checked, the minister said they have given directive to management and they will communicate to us. And for good 3 weeks now, we've not heard anything from them. And that is why we have left no option than to decide to embark on this demonstration.
Okay, but are these arrangements peculiar to only junior officers, or it cuts across?
It's peculiar to only junior officers. And brother, the most funny thing is that this management keep on bringing their children to occupy these positions. When they come, we train them, and then they take over from us. And if there is any work, you come and do your cross-check. Most of them are sitting idle. We do the work, but they fail to promote us. This is our major concern.
Has there been plans or, negotiations? Have you sat with management, especially the Fire Service Council, to address these issues?
Countless time. We've been with them on countless occasions.
When was the last time?
The last time, as I speak, was 2 weeks ago, that we were invited. All the tertiary graduates within the service were invited to the national headquarters. And the assurance was that they will soon roll out the roadmap to promote us. And, they are coming out with some foreign policies, which is not known to us in the service. And the foreign policies are that we have to write an examination. And then the examination per the condition of service is limited to only non-tertiary graduates and not the graduates.
This is strange, honestly.
Yes, sir.
It is.
Some of us are having masters, and we are in charge of so many positions in the National Fire Service, firefighting. And as I speak, if you want, you can send your cameras all around to check. Most of these guys, if you check the death rate in fire service, majority of the personnel who are dying are the junior officers. Because of the toxic smoke that we've been inhaling, we risk our life for this nation, yet we are not recognized. And that is the most painful aspect that we are going through.
Okay, but how many of you junior officers are due for promotion?
In totality, we are more than 1,000 to 2,000 people. And when you come to the tertiary graduates, there are only 500 to 600 people.
I see. All right. So let me thank you, and then I'll have another conversation with you pretty soon. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Well, mamene kwaku nyameche or a fire officer. Mamene no entwetwe enkomo. Kwaku timinka. Hello, Kwaku.
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Nyame Adom enwe pa.
Okay. O colleague ono abeka no brofo titriti. Na wo katwi Moha pa any saying promotion in kwa announce so half for eka ho kwaku.
Yo me da se mechia we tiefo nyina. Me pa cho yeah how the junior officers bebrebe na ye edikan ne ne me brother ba ko no me colleague ba ko no waka no obrofun ten no ye nyina yakọ school. Some of us every school 10 years 12 years ekuta masters any degree management ayo margin say omun promote yen yedi wo ebiom ye another problem you want to say so uba fire service a junior officers no ye na ye nkusijuma ni nyina na akadia even yedi ye adwuma no mpo say management be miomani na oma aye akadia man na etimi dia adwuma no o ka aye tintintinti ye wo machine dia ye di dumuja ye wo equipment bi appliance e fe no breathing apparatus sa apparatus yi say this ejeye to circle say officer bitimi a benja no a fighting iye Ubeko various fire stations beating apparatus beer ni ho cylinders ni gugu aban ato wato compressors aye de be fele asema mi ko all the
kwakwe meba yan fa ne kakra yan chance yan free akandia te say mu boot intade protection gears ni ade amode edumuja no say mo pass out wa dodo say na ye de mamo na how frequent and amosesa no mbese mi hu
yo ye pass out o pass out from training school ye ma one uniform that's khaki ne ama camouflage na baako say ubenya firefighting gear tunic now they are fight over baba to station ho nia nkofo yi sunu be 5 years 10 years nipa atare baako firefighting tunic na atare baako nipa be say ye running watches we ba no aba be she emergency ba no aba she no awreguo we ba no aba be she no awreguo the kaipa say a new current chief officer ibae oba promise one officer one tunic no up to date o ni 4 years no koi ontimi to single tunic to say if you even nipa station say nya bida
sem kakra tunic ne no de he no ene sa overall no aya mo she no
overall and no na to say in case of firefight to be share na protect you from heat ne gaseous way come into contact with your body because of sign na ye ni junior officers co pensioner onzimi ndi more than onyi nkwetre bia no wewu onyi nkwetre bia no wewu Eyarewo papa na omo ba omo kwakọtena omo officer condition no mutitim
enti yama kaki yama kamo so baako na yama boot so baako aka ho
na sempo de omo ba atino kwambo de overall ko bo munya bi ma overall munya bi ma
hello
kutumfika na akọ market akọ show foods no ato
na ohono mantini ye sambra bio
agi se wa wuyi uboto musika ekoto boot firefighting boot upe safety boot papa aizo wankasa koku mu yi uboto musika na ade akoto
yenti awoka yemfa sasika ne sama so wo de sika akoto nti je sika no
dabi mbacho asama na meka utwama we say breathing apparatus me see opa mon suma mo correspondence all the regional centers e bi wo ye mun try electricity keke entry electricity embra machine ni mu keke na je say ye use no obako no mo accident esi na compressor ni sisi inside compressor ni sisi inside that yet we ye all the district fire stations I fight fire
kwaku unim nyame adoma adwuada sa asemi pese etoa so enti ye fancy hanne na dwada nyame adoma ye betoa so
Yo,
right.
Medasi.
Okay.
Yo, yeah, that.
Right. Kwa kunya meche fire officer na menene twen komo. Nti so hu. Aya enye da bia na se de so bo no bo fire service for. Da bi. Enye da bia na se bo mo so bo. Wo mo hawo. One more how. Mami your phone lines 0302216561. 0302216562. 0302216561. 0302216562. Good day, uncle. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Yeah, TJ.
Yes, I'm whining.
Respect in it. I shall not Zone 5.
Respect in you.
Na anepem ama me ya wo ankata. Sana yet no my mu. TJ, o man no beden no my ebokoso. TJ. Ye hia o say o man mu no ye. But dey hia no na ye o man mu. TJ, obesuntu aso.
But that's respect. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Wani.
Patrol me akasa.
Wait me akasa, e fro saying.
Patrol, your friend me Kwame Asare, me friend Fitama.
Kwame into.
Patrol, me pese me kasa tiawa, me pese fire service in paying for aso to say. Patrol tio, globally no, we organization paying and obi be school, fresh graduates, only skill, only we experience via. Now with me akoya manager our organization bimu. We have worked more than 16 years. We have experience, we have our master's degree. You're paying for now, you say, for so many years.
We are fire officer.
Me a fire officer.
Fantastic.
Me a junior officer.
Kagum.
And then this time we are saying enough, it is enough. You won't say, and yet abino and a council chairman, and a chief officer, and a director, you know. And yes, we know them. And then this time, a peaceful match. If they obstruct us, Yebesino and Yakra. But Omanesi, Yakatomo said, this time enough is enough. Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, Winnie.
Good morning. But your friend is so fun, Tony.
So for Casafre,
Matahiku.
So for you.
Okay, CJ Nankupon Shra, Obomodin, a man ye yon in the Kanko. The question you may be a nation. The baby back when I made two addresses soon, said. The two of the nurse were your interviewer. Boon, if I know to Miss Person who were Chikasano. And now, all the essence, so almost 90% are 3 years. In the same way, Jam interpreter no back. No, sir, on your Obeka a brofon coano. No interpreter no such me at Tracia. They can maybe on a Frank Kujo Kasai. Almost 30 minutes interview. 30 minutes interview, brofon coano or kind. A far ye who are seminary. Obian Tracia. In case an command on in the area, only me no quantum. No listeners quite much on wager. And when I met you addresses to say Miss Strow. PBM Ubaba studio Bian, on by year, run and move by interview Nivia, a run by interview Jabaku, our studio no ho. There's an interview independent way back when way back kind. Our car so junior on to make a phone call for crab back. Or be or you knew one about Hanam said, yet the neighbor not be doing some penina, and one chance here. Mr. Wanudia, could you, Mr. Mama, Jane,
Anthony, Medasepa, you be doing Juma, Medase. Thank you very much for calling. Hello, good morning.
Someone,
Winnie.
CJ, where 5 p.m. at Chimakotia.
5 p.m. meet you.
CJ, on my way, Omani Yale. Omani Yale, papa, Omani Yase, you know, hospital, Cassia, now you come on the Joko Bobo Bonipania. Share at Titia, Yen and Metabo. It's where BBC. Now I say, one I'm doing Temana, one I'm doing Jana, and forgot to be on board, and what to be born. One more problem. One HKBM, CJ, Tango Ponka, maybe a mechanic, Namisha, Namia Jumapa, because the credit, and I wanted to be quiet in the credit, Tango Ponka, when we bush now,
Medase 5 p.m. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. CJ.
Yes, sir, Winnie.
Maybe I could do because I've been Mr. Camp.
I go to you.
mpacho program na no ye fire officer no okasa ye pa asemba kuna ha o my Ghana no ye pay for no ntro umbe nwani kware a omu dwane ja anikware omu nka nikware enu na ma Ghana gusu bre yo nti Ghana be di a say ye sakra ya dwen baby yes no se baby o ma ye kodu o ma ye say yo ntro da ena ma o ma ye say nti penfo ni Ghana kromo ana penfo no mu dida ana ede kura na ha o ma Ghana nyamika o
so me de be see amintimi for frefo bia bio adwo do nyame adom a ye be bie san komo yin ye be biem na afei ye nyamwaye ye security officers wamo how hwan na ka bia ma womo dwene ho Medini Chief Jerry Forson emfa seda no emfa TCL na fe Franco Trading Enterprise shane so se number no ensesan project a esi yani so wadaroma ihiamoa papa eti se o kakra emwa apese de boayen boho esi yani so den chire sanse school dan a eno so ye de ensa akwakoka ye pese ye hwe se ntwa mamofra no wo mumye school de na wo manya classroom foforo wo mo besua de ewom number nini kitwa bi ensa 055 661 4196 pato trainer mano to mame mo ya dwuma ekuo mo ya ankran na eka wakoma se yikakra na faboa na enam wo so obi nya nsupanom enam so abofra bi adachi oba beda ne pani wo man wonya classroom papa no ontenam boying 055 6614 196 055 6614 196 me number no so ensesai frame 0206 94 3337 0206 94 3337 Frenament me and Fana bet me send message and SMS WhatsApp message and SMS send it na me reply baby how no be ano yembo no kakra na yentimi enso ano me di Chief Jerry Forson na me adoma adwada ya de Beyi W'ano ya besan so e de